step deviation method, a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. So here di also no need. Okay, otherwise right, no problem. Ui equal to what? Di by h, right here. So already here 20 only, 20 by 10 h value minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3. This is the answer. Ui value. Okay, next fi ui. Fi ui. Fi value and ua value minus 20, 25 ones are 25, this value 0, 12 ones are 12, 10 twos are 40, 10 twos are 20, 10 twos are 20 and 53s are 45. Say here minus 20, minus 25, minus 45, here 45, this 45 cancel only. Again what? 12 plus 20, 32. So sigma fi ui equal to 32. A value what here? 65 plus 32 by 100 into 10. 0 0 cancel. 65 plus 32 by 10, that equal to 65 by 3.2. 68.2 is the answer.